This boat is a 2019 Sea Ray 21 SPX. It has the Sea Ray blue hull side color with marine midnight blue canvases. The boat is powered by a Mercury 4.5 liter V6. This is the 250 horsepower version. This Sea Ray 21 SPX is also equipped with the elevation package, which includes the water sports tower, ski mirror, along with bimini top and convenient wakeboard racks. It also has the appearance package, which includes LED cockpit lighting, along with stainless steel features such as rub rail, cup holders, and grab rails, giving it a sleek design. It also has the Infinity woven vinyl cockpit flooring and platform sea deck mat. There is a premier upgraded stereo sound system with digital depth sounder and battery switch. This Sea Ray 21 SPX sits on a matching tandem trailer and it features ample seating and is sure to please